So here we have denoted point A, point B, point C, right? And after that we have here point D, 2 and 4. X is that 2 and 4. Abscissa is 2 and so point D here is 2 and 4 here. Right? So only Harjot, it was electricity cut. So this is all about this your coordinate geometry, right? Already we have discussed in class. We have Raminder Kaur. Okay, so take if you have identity based question. You know the identities that identities are like x plus y whole cube, it is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3x y whole square. Same when we have x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus of y cube plus it is minus of 3x square y plus that is 3x y square, right? And when we have x cube plus y cube, so here we have there is x plus y into x square minus of xy plus of y square, right? And same when we have here x cube minus of y cube, so we can write here x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square, right? Remember these identities. Okay, so here we have Hermes, also very good afternoon. Then Viva Valia, very good afternoon, right? So we have a question of surface area and volume, right? If there is a heap of rice, right? There is a heap of rice such that the diameter of the heap that is 12 and the height is 3.5, right? The diameter of the heap, that is 24 meter, and the radius is not radius will find the height of the heap, that is 3.5 meter, right? Now two things are asked. One is find the volume of the rice. Okay, find the volume, and another is the if we have to cover the heap of rice with the canvas, find the length, not length, find the, you can say, the canvas required to cover the rice, right? So here we have r is 12 meter, right? So what is its volume? Volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, right? And for the canvas here, that is the curved surface area. Curved surface area, that is equal to pi RL. So here this is 3.5, this is 12. We need to find the L here, slant height, in case of canvas. Whereas in case of volume of the cone, volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, right? So we have here Gurnur also, Gurnur and then Arman Jain. So welcome in today's class. So here what is the volume? Volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi, that is 22 upon 7, r here, that is 12 into 12, and h here is 3.5. So 7 ones are 7.5 here, right? So we have 1 by 3 here. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12 here, right? So here we have 22 into 12, right? Into 4 into zero point 0.5, that is 2 here. So we have here 22 into 24, right? So here 24, 4, 8, 4, 8, right? So we have 8, 12, 528. 528 meter cube, the volume of the heap, that is 528 meter cube. Now what is the curved surface? The canvas, that curved surface is pi rl. So how to find L? L, that is the slant height. So to find the slant height here, we have Pythagoras theorem, that L square is equal to R square plus H square, right? So R square here is 12 whole square plus R square is your H square is 3.5 whole square, and L is, this side will become under root here. So we have here, that is under root 144 plus, that is 12.25, so which is under root 156.25, right? And we will find here with the help of, we will take the square root or under root here. 1 ones are 1, right? We have 56, double is 2, 2 twos are 44 here, so it is 2, 1, another decimal here, another place is 25, so 12, 24, and here then we have 5, that is 1, 2, 2, 5, right? So what is it? L slant height, that is 12.5. What is the slant height? L here is 12.5 here. Okay, so what is the amount of canvas required here is pi RL, 22 upon 7, R is 12, L is 12.5. Okay, so we will solve here. We can take 3.14 or you can multiply, you can do this calculation, you can find pi RL. Okay, so where write Harjot, L is equal to under root R square plus under root H square, right? So find this pi RL, do this calculation here, you will find it is near about 471 point something, 471.42. You can, so Vanshika Gupta also, very from 9G, Vanshika, welcome in today's class, right? So here, let me discuss few more. This calculation work, you can do it. It is near about 471.42, that is in meter square, right? Surface area is always in meter square and the volume is in meter cube, right? The volume is always in, we find the volume in meter cube. So next, we have a question, we have a circle, right? And in this circle we have point A, point B, point C and D. A, B, C, D, right? Here you have given one angle is given, that angle is 135 here, right? And you have to find the value of x here, and when this angle is given, this angle is given your 75 degree, right? And here this angle is y. So two angles are given and two angles you have to find. So find what is angle. This is question number 2. Question number 3 here. Again you have a circle. Find x and y. Find x and y. Right? Here we have one circle. Right? In this circle we have a point A, point B, and O is the center here. Right? O is the center here, and this angle is angle A here, right? And this angle is here is 21 degree. Find angle A. Find angle A. Right? Find A here. So we know here. Okay. Here we have Shandeep Singh. So we know that here the ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So we know x 135 plus x 135 plus x is equal to 180, right? So x is equal to 180 minus 135, which is equal to 45 degree. What is x? X is 45 degree, and same y 75 plus y is equal to 180 degree. So what is y? Y is 180 minus 75 degree. So it is equal to 105 degree. So y is 105 and x is 45, right? Okay. So we know the psi properties of a cyclic quadrilateral. So we write x is 45 and y is okay. So many students they are participating. Then what is the value of A here? A here. This angle is 21 degree here, right? ACB is 21 degree, right? And A you have to find the value of A. So very right, Harjot, is 42 degree, right? This angle is always double of the angle subtended, right? So here in this question, the angle subtended here, angle A is twice of angle, that is ACB, right? So angle A is equal to 42 degree. What is angle A? Angle A is 42 degree. Now one more question of the circles. If we have a circle here, and in this circle we have a diameter here. O, A is the diameter, B is the, right? If one angle, you have to find angle X. Okay, you have to find angle X. Is if this angle here is 65 degree, A, B, C, this angle is 65 degree. Find X. AOB is the diameter. AOB is the diameter. Here in this question, AOB is a diameter, right? AOB is the diameter, right? So find the value of x. If this angle is 65 degree, angle ABC is 65 degree. So yes, anyone? So she is very right. X is equal to 25. We know that diameter always subtend a 90-degree angle, right? So one angle it means we have x plus 65 is equal to 90 also. So what is x? X is equal to always 90 minus 65, which is equal to 25 degree. Very right, right? Now I have one equation, right? So very right, Grover 25. Okay, just Kirat 9a 25, right? So next question. Question is, if I have a write the coefficient of ABC. If I have minus of 9y is equal to minus of 3x plus 11, right? Find the coefficient of A, B, and C of this linear equation into variable, right? Find the A, B, and C of this linear equation into variables. Linear equation in two variables. Two variables, right? Find the coefficients of A, B, and C of this linear equation in two variables, right? So next question. Multiply. Next question is multiply. That is 3 plus under root 3 into 3 minus under root 3. So here A is 9, B is okay. A is 3, B is 9, C is 11, right? So here either one side you can take or that is another side. If you are choosing here equation that is minus of 3x plus 9y plus 11 is equal to 0, right? So here A will become minus 3, B will become 9, and the C here that is 11 here, right? So here A is minus 3, right? So 9 here. Next question here, A raised to power, it is what? A square, right? Minus of B square. A plus B, A minus B, A square minus B square. So here 9 minus 3, answer here is 6. What is the answer? Answer is 6 here, right? So next question. Next question is, what is 16? Next question is 16 raised to power 3 upon 4 is equal to, right? Part 1, part 2 here, you have to tell what is 32 raised to power 2 upon 5. And third one, that is 9 raised to power 3 by 2. 9 raised to power 3 by 2. Here 1 is 8. Okay, question number, that is 4. See here, we'll write here 2 raised to power 4 raised to power 3 by 4. So 4 and 4 cancel. 2 raised to power 3 is 8. Right? 2 raised to power 3 is 8. Same here, 2 raised to power 5 into 2 raised to power 5. So 5 with 5 cancel. So 4 is right answer. And same 3 square, and here 3 by 2. So 3 3s are, that is 27. 3 raised to power 3, that is 27. Okay, so this is about this question here. Then let's take a question on division. Divide the polynomial is 3x raised to power 4, 3x raised to power 4 minus 4x cube, 4x cube plus minus of 3x minus 1. 3x minus 1 by divide 3x raised to power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Divide. Okay. So when we divide, right? So here we are not using the remainder theorem or factor theorem. We have to go for the division. So when we are going with division, x raised to power 4, 4x cube minus of 3x minus 1, and here is x minus 1. So here we will start here with 3x raised to power 3. So 3x raised to power 3, here it will come 3x raised to power 4 here. Okay, this is 3x raised to power 4 here, and minus of 3x cube, minus of 3x cube here. So what we can do, we can subtract here, it will become plus, cancel, it is minus of x cube, minus of 3x, minus of 1. Now here x, here is minus of x square. This is what? Minus of x square. So we will get here minus of x cube, minus minus, that is plus, plus of x square, right? Because we don't have any term here of x square. So when it will add, we will subtract. So we have here minus, it is plus of, sorry, minus of x cube minus 3x minus 1. So again here with minus x. So when minus x, we will get minus x square and minus minus plus x, right? So here when we will add, we will subtract here, we have minus of 4x minus 1. We will start with minus of 4. Minus of 4, so here is minus of 4, right? Minus of 4x, and minus minus will become plus 4, and when we subtract here, minus will become, so here minus of 5. What is the remainder here? Remainder is minus of 5 here. So she is very right, Harjot, 3x square x minus x minus 4. So Harjot, you are right. Okay. So let's take few more questions. Okay. From let's factorize. Factorize 6x square. Factorize 6x square plus 5x plus 6, 5x plus 6, factorize it, one more, 12x square minus 7x plus 1, 12x square minus 7x plus 1, right? So here 6 6 are 36, splitting middle term, 6x square plus here what we have 9x minus 4x plus 6 6 6 are 36 here, right? So we have here 3x into 2x, that is 6x here plus 3 9, same here, that is 2x plus 3 here, and it is minus of 4, so it is not 9x minus 4x, so here minus of 2, so wait, here this is not the right way, here we have, that is it is plus or minus here, it is I think minus 6 here, when it is minus 6, so we can start here 6x square plus of plus or minus of plus of 9x minus of 4x minus 6, right? So here we have then 3x into 2x plus 3 into 2x plus 3 minus of 2 here. So we have one is 3x minus 2 and another is 2x plus 3, right? Both are from your NCERT. 3x minus 2 and x plus 1 is 2x plus 3, right? So 2x plus 3 and 3x minus 2 here. And in this here, so here we have minus and it is plus here, right? 12x square 4 and 3 minus of 4x minus of 3x plus 1, right? So here we can start here with that is 3x or with 4, we can start here with 4x into 3x minus of 1 and here 3x, that is 3x minus 1, so here minus of 1, so we have that is 3x minus 1 into 4x minus 1, right? 3x, so 4x minus 1 and 3x minus 1, right? So in this way you can go for biquadratic polynomial, okay, for their factorization. And let's have a practice of 1 2 more questions. If we have one question that identity, that is a minus of 2b minus 3c whole square. So when we have to solve, right, we have always first that square is always positive. B square plus 9c square, this is positive. 2ab, so it is minus of 4ab, right? Minus minus will get plus here, that is 6 to the 12 bc and then minus of 6 ac, right? Sometimes 1 or 2 marks question, so here you have to check the signs, right? So when we, you can try one more question, that is, this is the first part you can say. Second part question is minus of 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. Okay. Now one of the number that is negative, right? So solve it. So here also we have